Making a splash. A local business goes from supper club to nationwide TV. A hugely popular Columbus restaurant recently got some national attention. National broadcast companies, The Today Show, hosted by Megyn Kelly, showcased Hot Chicken Takeover to talk about the company's success and business model. For example, Hot Chicken Takeover is a fair chance employer. This means that it hires people who have had trouble getting a job because of a criminal record, homelessness, or who have other symptoms of instability that make it difficult to obtain a job. Around 70% of employees at this restaurant have criminal records. We have a work environment where someone can move from minimum wage to livable wage in as little as 3 months, shares Hot Chicken Takeover's founder, Joe DeLos. Our company is strong because our team is strong, founder DeLos said in a press release. Being able to shine a spotlight on the excellent work they've done is unbelievable when you think about where we started just a couple years ago. We are grateful to be able to share our story on a national platform like this, DeLos stated. DeLos started Hot Chicken Takeover in 2014 as a supper club in Old Town East. He and his wife only had 3 employees. The supper club sold out of chicken every weekend. It added a food truck and moved into the North Market later that year. In preparation for the show, the Today Show crew was in Columbus shooting footage and doing interviews at the North Market site. DeLos and 2 crew members from Hot Chicken Takeover were slated for a live interview on the show. During the interview, the employees talked about the rapid growth that the company has been experiencing and the benefits of their employment model. Every day, I come in here and I feel accepted, Jamel H., one of DeLos's employees, said. The love is genuine. I've worked for numerous companies and I've never felt anything like this, Jamel, who NBC identified only using his first name and last initial to protect his privacy, noted the difficulty he experienced when he tried to re-enter the workforce following his criminal record. I kind of lost hope a little bit, found myself back on the streets, he said. Last year, Hot Chicken Takeover received some financial backing that has been funding its expansion, including a new restaurant in Clintonville and a 3rd unit scheduled to open at Easton Gateway this fall. Now the couple own 3 restaurants and have nearly 200 employees. Hot Chicken Takeover is a Nashville-style fried chicken and soul food restaurant in an expansive North Market eatery with communal tables. DeLos is looking for crew and management positions. All applications must be over 18 years old and able to lift 25 pounds. For more information, visit the HTC website. Two Birds, One Stone Learning, LLC, understands the importance of protecting one's intellectual property. This article was heavily modified for use of language learners of English and was adopted from the businessjournal.com website for Columbus, Ohio. Thank you.